Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Eng Kang Yang. So, my matrix number is 20 of 2004. I would like to explain about the precautions for repairing iPhone. In this video, you need to take five precautions of the iPhone so you can repair successfully and more higher chance. The first thing is you need to turn off the power device so you can easily unplug the battery and other things. Then the second one you need to do is you need to take off your SIM card. So after you take off, it will it will be more easily to repair. The third one is you need to put all screws in onto one place by within 1 meter. So you so that nobody can easily to stood at it. The fourth thing is you must make sure the environment is clean. So that will be no dust. So there will be no dust to feel on it. If feel on it will be more troublesome to clean. The last thing is you must make sure the repair tools are not broken. If the repair tools are broken, you will hardly to repair iPhone. That's all. Thank you.
Boleh tahu hari tu kan baby tak perasan tahu masa kat bukan baby tak perasan ni lagi dekat rumah opah kan yang rumah kedai tu baby nak custom.
Hello guys, my name is Shakir Zufairi, and as you saw from the title, I will show you a few steps to repair this device, iPhone. First, we will check the condition, and as we know, this charger port is probably broken, and we gonna change it to a new one. And then we need to prepare our tools. This tool is special only for iPhone. And after we prepare everything, we need to remove the screw. Okay, let's remove. And then we use this suction cup to open the screen. We need to be careful, because if we try to pull it hard, then the screen will be broken. After we pull the screen, don't separate it yet, because the ribbon is still attached to the device. To remove the screen, we need to remove this ribbon. This ribbon is attached to the device, and to remove it, we need to use this drying pan. This tool. And after we remove this screen, we need to put it to the safe place. And let's check the charging port. We need to remove this charging port. Sorry guys, I take too long for to remove this board, so we will replace with a new one. This. Okay. Okay, after you replace it carefully like this, and then we install back the other one that we remove. Okay, now let's see. We turn it on, and then we will check if this iPhone can charge it or not. Charging or not. Okay. And now let's see iPhone charger. And now this iPhone is ready to use again. That's all from me. Thank you.